Welcome to the homestead. My name's Renee. I'm going to make some chicken salad for my husband's lunches. Follow along, I'll show you what I do. Let's get cooking. You can make this chicken salad with any chicken of your choice. Today I'm using Sam's Club chicken, canned chicken. And to that I just put it in the bowl and then I chopped up some celery. There's about 2 ribs here. Next, I'm going to cut up some onion, and I do about 1/4 of this onion, chop it up. What do you like to add to your chicken salad? Alright, I'm going to add garlic powder. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon. You don't have to add this much. You can do it to your taste. And I'm going to add some onion powder, about 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, I'm going to add some crushed black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, but again, season it to your taste. And then I'm going to use some horseradish mustard, which is delicious in chicken salad if you haven't tried that before. It's not hot, it just gives it a little umami, if you will. Alright, I'm going to use Hellmann's mayonnaise, but use whatever mayonnaise you like. And to this I'm going to add about 1/2 cup. And sometimes also to chicken salad, I'll add about 1/4 cup of sour cream if you want to make it a little thicker and creamier. Here, so you could leave the chicken salad just like this, but I'm going to elevate it another level and do some olives. So I put that spoon underneath the rim and you lift out and it pops that top. Makes it easier to open, as you can see. And I don't really measure how many I'm going to put in. I just kind of guess. I mean, if you like a lot, do a lot. And same rule, if you don't want it at all, leave it out. But it's delicious. And my husband loves these olives, so that's why we use them. And the more add-ins you put in your chicken salad, the further your chicken salad is going to stretch. So I'm just going to give that a mix up here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, so these are little 1/2 cup servings. So I'll fill this up, and then you can take this chicken salad. You can eat it right out of the container just like this, or you can add it to a biscuit or to bread, or you can put it in a tortilla with lettuce and have a chicken salad wrap. The options are endless. You pick your bread that you'd like to put your chicken salad on, but it's delicious. And I find that making chicken salad at home for my husband's lunches saves money, so he doesn't have to pick up anything while he's out at work. It's very frugal to make it yourself. All right, and then I put a little treat. I put little 3 olives on top of his chicken salad. All right, I'm gonna put the lids on top of these and I'll get them put here in the fridge. And those are ready to go. All right, so there's a little bit of chicken salad, so I wanted to show that you can elevate it up another level. You can add some dried craisins to this, which is delicious, and then I also added some walnuts. It just makes it a little bit more fancier. You could also add a chopped apple to this too, which would also be very delicious. All right, well, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless.